What do I remember from these 60 pages? What do I want to work on?
So we take something like 10 minutes at this morning.
Yes, 10 minutes for each table to summarize. And then presentation here of the 3 to 5 most important ideas for you.
Consortium Bridging QMS, so the idea was to install rules, working rules with a partner for every day, for reporting, for meetings.
With all the process agreed at the very beginning, so it helps us to have a very good collaborative work and make the good decision and to help us for the execution between contractor and company.
Breaking the silos is important, not only between installation operations, but other disciplines as well.
We had some good interaction between company and contractor to solve a small issue, go towards your counterpart. I have a problem, yes. I have some solution, of course. I think exchange is very important.
It's really important to create the context for trust. And to achieve this, we believe you still need to have the right persons in place in management roles and in key roles on the project.
How we managed to make Kaombo a success, I believe we investigated the power of collaboration. It's not a given, it's a process. All what we said, we have built it together. Probably we need to adapt the good balance between the quality of people that we need to have to execute the project and also the processes. So some are informal, there are more practices, and some of the processes are maybe to be developed as a framework to give visibility and to give life to collaboration, to enable this good, let's say, collaboration between all of us.
On a big project like Kaombo, there is plenty ways of failure. There is only one to succeed, is you and us together. But willing is not enough, okay? Without mindset, we do not manage. So it's the responsibility, of course, of the management to have the right people with the right mindset on board, and also to make sure that this good mindset, positive mindset for the success of the project is sustainable all over the 5 years. Because 5 years is very long, a project like that is very difficult. So we shall make sure that nobody is losing patience or is losing this positive mindset. And I think if we manage that, we manage to work together and we manage to succeed as we did.